Bonjour everyone, and welcome to this week's craft video. I'm Hallie.
And I'm Cody the Wolf.
I was thinking this week, while listening to the beautiful wind chimes outside, how pretty they sounded. And I was thinking we could make our own wind chimes. What do you think, Cody?
Wow, that's such a great idea, and it'll look so nice outside my cave.
Let's get started then. In this bag, you should have an instruction sheet, some green paint, some purple paint, 4 long strings and 1 short string, a handful of beads, and a cup with 4 holes around the bottom and 2 holes on the top. Some other materials you're going to need are a paintbrush. Decorate your cup using the paint. It's up to you if you want to do solid colors or if you want to do a pattern. Let it dry. While it's drying, take the 4 long strings and put the beads on it. Tie a knot at the bottom so that the beads don't come off. And then string them through. As you can see, mine is getting a little frayed, so I'm going to snip off the end so that it's not hard to thread. Like you've done enough. I think that mine looks pretty good so far, and I think I'm done. You can also make knots so that they aren't as close together, but I like mine the way it is. Put it aside because it's going to be important later. Remember not to use all your beads on one of the strings because you have 4 others to go. I'm going to attach the beads. Take a string of beads, thread it through the hole, and knot it. You may want to double knot it because you don't want the beads to fall off. You can trim the extra string if you want. What it should look like. Now with the shorter string, you're going to thread it through both of the holes at the top. And then tie a loop. I think my wind chime is so pretty.
Yeah, I wonder what our friends' wind chimes look like.
Me too. If you did our craft today, tag us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts. We sure made a mess today. Do you know what that means, Cody?
Yeah, it's time for the cleanup song.
Making this stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.